Alright guys, welcome to the mother secrets room on the TryHackMe. This is a really different room I ever seen. We just have to be looking here, the code analyze and doing something different here. It's really different room for me actually. I've been never solving before the code analyzing room, but it's really cool. I think it's like some different, we have to be analyzing code like the different method in here, and it's really funny. Trust me, it's really funny room. So if you're ready now, then we can solve these rooms together. So mother secrets. Now we have to be starting here. We have an IP addresses here, and we have to be actually hack these IP addresses, but this room is not like that. So we just have to be like to interesting about some credential or the interesting idea is over here. So they are just are setting up for us to start attack box, start the virtual machine, provide the furthest challenge, and note this machine IP address. You will need it later to access web application. You can now open the attack box and then server IP you can actually do in here, but we already knows how we can using this TryHackMe. If we don't know, we have to be learned. So now let's go for task 2. So introduction, open accessing to mother 6000 computer, aka mother. You will see mother via server. However, since only have a crew member level role, you only have read access limited resources, but there are other ways access it. Can you find them and cover mother secrets? So this is actually what this room's meaning. So we just have to be change a role for the crew member, and you will see there directly. So let me open the web server on the 80 port. So we are now as crew member, and we have a no actually so we have a no satisfying, and for the changing something here we have to be changing our user. This is actually this room meaning here. So acumen check, download the files attached to this task, review the code, and explore the available endpoints mother server and try to find any clues and reveal mother secrets. Search for file that contains essential information about the ship's activities. Exploit the vulnerable code, download the secrets from the can you spot the vulnerable code. So this is just for the code analyzing. So what does it mean? So the most important things you have to be reading here, operation manual here. Below are some sequences and operations to get you started. Use the following to unlock information and navigate the mother. Emergency command is override here. It's 300 and now it's 100 375. Use it when accessing alien looters. So this command is really important for us. We have to be use it. Okay, please do not forget it. So let me open here a notepad and then save this because we have to be using it. So actually here our target or we had to be guessing API Nostromo mother on this directory for this file. So we just have to be checking this file directly here. So if you are ready now, we can start how we can choose it and how we can got this room. So you just have to be download task file to here. It will definitely give you different things. This is for API routes. We have to be checking the API directly. So it's just JavaScript file on the YAML. So we have to be working here the YAML. We have to be understanding here. So what does other code here? For example, WebSocket JavaScript file, and then the another things here. They are using here the YAML directory. We have to be read YAML directory here, and the another directory is Nostromo, and then the Nostromo. Yes, they are using here attack WebSocket, and this is really important. I think we have to be analyzing here directly. So where is there? So I remember, yeah, it could be here. on this Nostromo directory. I'm not actually good at the code analyzing, but you can actually asking this to ChatGPT, and it will give you too many important things here directly. Okay, so let me. Yes, it's giving to information about this code and what does it mean. So this is actually giving us this. Yeah, to here, the most important. Create another post route is Nostromo mother that expects just will file path. So what does it mean? We have to be checking our file with this command. So we have to be using here file path directly. So let me say with again file path. We have to be so our equation the file path or file with the file path, the command here. Alright, so this is really important. So you're done checking here app JavaScript and index JavaScript. The another important things here. Let me checking. No, we just have to be looking here the file path. Alright, the ChatGPT is realized that file path is really important and why is giving us like that. Alright, so that means we have to be go here and then reading the first question is over there. What is number of the emergency command override? You know, it's 375. What is special order number? Now we can starting analyzing here the code directly. So actually here is not needing to directory scan, but if you're starting here directory scan, so let me show you guys. To here is definitely. So let me go there, and it's actually no needed. So you don't need it to analyzing it. So, but if you want to be check it, you can starting like that, and then we got here different things. So it's not needing, but it's really cool because we can get in here different things. So where's the word list? It's over there, right? So let me open the word list, the raster directory list, and then for extension txt, html, JavaScript, and HTML. Alright, so let me starting it. So this directory scan is actually giving you. So this is easy way to hack this machine and hack this room. It's index mining's JavaScript file is over there. So you just have to be go there, index mining JavaScript file, and you know it's look like a different, but you can using here JavaScript beautiful, and then and the read this JavaScript file is different. So let me say here JavaScript beautiful and then online JavaScript beautiful file. So let me copy all of things to here and go there and then paste it and then beautify call controller and enter. So we have now this here is JavaScript code like that we can analyzing. Is it? Yes. So you can actually analyzing it. Yes, here for example embedded within the intercat codes of mother system alias and alien loader. Alright, so let me scroll down to here. I think we can already ask it for ChatGPT again. So it will giving us this the most beautiful things to hear. Alright. Okay. So the code starts if which function is executed immediately after it's definite. It takes 2 parameters. Okay. Yes, we know the here directory is YAML Nostromo, and so what's important here? I don't know, but I think we have to be copy this and then let me go there. cd home elite documents and I remove -r secrets. Alright, so I make right here secrets directory again and go to secrets and then nano index miner JavaScript file controller copy. So let me go there and then cat this index minus JavaScript file. And if you are analyzing these codes, you will see there's different parameter like that or different value like that. So I think we have to be actually giving them like for analyzing them most clearly here. So if I'm gonna be go to up to here, and you will see there, where is it? I'm really, oh my god, can I find it? It could be right here. Yes, here. And if you are checking here, this code is with the starting with cost, you will see there is the equal to and equal. So when I see or when I saw to equal and equal, I always thinking about like base 64 here. So I wanna be go there the cyber shaft like here definitely, and then checking here this code's meaning here, the decrypting and with this command is over there. So let me changing here everything, and it will giving us this base 64 again, and this means are classified, and you will see the classified here for is over there for the flag. Is that right? So now to analyzing the other base 64 here, I think. So let me cat index mean JavaScript file here, and I just want to be looking at this equal value here directly. So it is just the equal directive will gonna be right here, so for analyzing most clearly. So I think we had to be analyzing this this value is over there. So let me go to the cyber shaft, and it's giving us this flag here directly is over there. So I'm changing here, but it's not gonna be working because this is off this code again before, and then you will see there is order is coming also here. The order number is 9, 3, and 7 here directly. It's cool. So now I think we have to be analyzing here. The most important things is now we just analyzing this code, but there are too many analyzing for us to we have to be analyzing, you know. So you just have to be go your ChatGPT, or if you are analyzing manually on your JavaScript file, so you will see there. So what does it mean? So it's just giving us create a post root Nostromo that accept file path parameters create body. So this is really important, alright? So if you are asking this ChatGPT, it will definitely give you to how you can actually do this. But I don't want to be using with JavaScript file. So I would ask them, can you do it with curl file? Can you do it for curl with the curl? Alright, this is really basic. I mean, sorry, with the chat GPTs, everything's really gonna be easy for us. So this is why we are choosing here directly, why we are using here directly. So if you are ready, guys, let me explain this command here. So if you remember for analyzing this code here, they are actually giving us the aim like create here the post route. So we are just create here post method, and the content type could be actually equal to here application and JSON, because they are using JavaScript file here. And then, you know, we just have to be equaling and then the same value for the file path, and we have to be analyzing file path here directly. So why we are choosing here file under dash path is about why we're choosing here. So we just have to be check this code is over there, your file path here, and then just giving here this the OR server addresses and then the directory here. For example, if you go there in Nostromo, they will actually giving us this you just hit the wrong routes. So that's our two meanings here. The first is because we are not the root here or the other user, we are the query member and we have no access. So the other way, they are using here the post method on the application JSON directory. So that means we just have to be use it that is over there directly. So let me copy this, and then so let me go back. Alright, for example, let me give it this and say here YAML, because they're I mean, it's like either hat with this YAML here directly, so you can check it or Nostromo or YAML, it doesn't matter. So for example, if I'm checking here test as a test.yaml, alright, it's gonna be working. So it's giving us status error message, failed to read file, because there is nothing file here like that, is it? So what is our file here? This is API Nostromo mother, so we just have to be changed with this directory API Nostromo mother. So which file we have to be actually here, to read? It's definitely equal to secret.txt. So we just have to be changed with secret.txt here directly. Status authentication failed message kindly within Nostromo YAML root first. Alright, we just have to be YAML root first. Alright, we have to be doing YAML before. Alright, let me change it with YAML and give it a secret txt. Not a YAML file path here. So there is no secret txt on the YAML. So what does it mean? We have to be checking it with YAML. So let me changing it with YAML, but there is no read file here. So time to be go operation manual. Emergency command override is this, and use it when accessing Elliott loader. So let me using this for the file here directly. So I think it will giving us different method here. So when I get this, it's giving us for science officer eyes only special secrets, rerouting to API Nostromo, and order txt file is order. So we have to be check it here like that. Oh my god, it could be like here for API Nostromo, right? Like that. Yes, it could be like here. I don't know why I'm saving. Oh my god, it's not important. So or new routing is equal to API Nostromo, and then could be we have to be changing it for this txt file, isn't? Yes. So time to be go there. Yeah, we check here another flags directly. So we got this flag here. Alright. So what is the commenting here? For science officer eyes only, special order is equal that, and the priority one ensure return organism for analyzing. All other consideration is secondary and crew expandable. Its flag is equal that. So that means I think we have to be checking here under the API Nostromo mother directory for the secret txt here directly. Alright, let me check in here secret txt. So our secret txt is equal to opt mother here. So this is our new directory we have to be analyzing here, right? But this is just on to, on the machine directory could be. So this could be our different directory, I don't know. So let me change it with no. Oh my gosh. Yes, this is secret txt and could be, or we have to be changing with opt mother like that. Yeah. Status error message science officer eyes only. So if you're checking here if they're the LVI, let me using here. Yes, the secret is flag injure returned organism mew. So we got in here the last flag here, and then it's actually asking us secrets for mother secrets here. So there's just one question we have to be checking. So let me open here for reading here etc passwd. Maybe it will gonna be helping us. Yes. So we are gonna see here what is this username for the routing here the website. Is there? I think it's not. Alright, let me reading different things. I don't know, it could be different. I don't know why, what's can I do reading here about what is name of science officer with permission. Alright, when the role changes, his name, new name displayed. His new name displayed is over here. We got ink, but is Ash. Is Ash. Alright, this rule could be here. Alright, so that is really easy with this. So guys, thank you for watching video. I'm not good at the code analyzing. Yes, I'm not good at the code analyzing, but I know something. If I'm confused with you, I'm really sorry, but I want to be doing good stuff, and I just want to be show you how this code analyzing here with the ChatGPT, and how you checking your JavaScript beautiful code here, and how we can using here call commands, and what is this, why we're using here post without content type and the file path here directly. So if you like this video, I'm really appreciate it, and thank you for watching.